Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Thinkware F70 PRO Dashcam. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now, dash cameras, really important investment. If you drive a lot, then this is going to record what's going on outside your vehicle. So if you are involved or witness to a road traffic accident, you've got some video footage that could be used as evidence. Also, some, not all, but some insurance companies will give you a discount on your car insurance if you have a dash cam installed. Now, this is available in various versions. This is the 1-channel version. I believe you can also get a 2-channel. There's also an option of having like a plug and play model or a hardwired model. This one is hardwired, so this is the cable that's going to be used to install the dash cam. I would suggest getting it professionally installed, it's just my opinion. We also get some warranty information inside the box. We get a little mounting piece here, so this is the mounting bracket. This is where the dash cam is going to slide into. This is going to go on your windscreen. And then we also get some additional sticky pads. We get this one here, which is just a spare one for the main dash cam. Then this one here is like a cable tidy. So you've got 3 little clips there, which are going to mean that the cable can be routed nice and easily inside your car. And then of course, we get the dash camera itself. Now, before I give you a guide or a look around the dash cam, let me just tell you about some of the features. So this is a full HD dash camera. It's also got GPS mapping and speed camera database. I think the GPS thing on here is optional. I think I read that somewhere, but alas, that feature is there. We've also got parking mode, G-sensor and motion detection, and also it does connect via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you will be able to connect this to your smartphone. There's no screen on here, as you can see, and once that's connected, you'll be able to change all the settings, review back footage, etc. Let's take a quick look around here. We've got a micro SD card slot just here, and you do get a micro SD card included. So that's good. You've got a micro SD card to get you up and running. That just goes into that slot. And it does like a loop recording. So it will record footage continuously to the micro SD card. And then when it's full, it will start overwriting the oldest files first. We've also got what looks like a little speaker on the back. This is the mounting point just here. This is the power input, that's where that cable is going to go. So once you've had your installation done, you will have a cable coming into the car and it will plug into there to give you some power to the camera. We've got Wi-Fi button just on the side here. We've also got a little input for the optional GPS module. And on this side here, we have got a record button. Now, as I mentioned, it is going to record continuously in that loop. Which is really good, so it's going to be continually monitoring outside, and especially useful for that parking mode. So if you are parked and somebody sort of hits your car, for example, then it is going to record that footage as well. Really nice looking dash camera, nice and discreet, nice and small, nice and lightweight. Now, the actual video quality, absolutely superb. Not the best I've seen, but very, very good indeed. And Thinkware have been doing this for a long, long time. It really excels during daytime. You've got a nice colour rendition, nice amount of detail. Nighttime driving, you're still going to get a good amount of detail, just a little tiny bit of noise creeps in sometimes, but a very, very good performance overall. So would I recommend a dash camera? Absolutely. I've had one in my vehicle for many, many years, as long as I can remember actually. And would I recommend this particular dash camera? Well, yeah, you can get dash cameras again from Thinkware with built-in screens, but I do like this one because it's nice and compact, very, very easy to install, and I think it produces good quality video. Also, the ability to obviously connect this to your smartphone to change settings and review back footage, I think is very, very good as well. So if you're in the market for a dash cam that's not going to cost you too much, that's really nice and lightweight, nice and discreet, then the Thinkware F70 PRO should definitely be on your shortlist. If you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button and please do subscribe. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.